So let me explain how you can attach the Apple Pencil to the iPad. Let's get started. If this is your first time in here, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. Anyways, the Apple Pencil comes in many different generations of the product. There are also many iPads which you can use, and the Apple Pencil can of course be connected to the iPad. It's like a very seamless connection. So for instance, in my case, I have the second generation Apple Pencil and the iPad Pro. I can just snap it on the side of the iPad. It connects magnetically, it gets recognized, and it starts charging right away. So of course I can just use it normally, no problem, and it just works fine. I'm mentioning it because there are different iPad models. For example, if I take a look at the iPad mini, which is even newer than this iPad Pro, but the same Apple Pencil simply does not work. Yes, the iPad mini supports Apple Pencil, but not this one. So you would have to buy a separate one if you wanted to use it with this iPad. And then that's a little bit of an unusual scenario, but that's just how it is. That's how we need to approach this. So if you are buying an iPad or getting an Apple Pencil, you have to pay attention to which iPad you're going to use it with. There are also like these older models which literally allowed you to connect it through the lightning connection to the end of the iPad, right? And it was like, the first generation of the Apple Pencil, but that's not really a very common thing anymore. But still, the Apple Pencil doesn't work with every iPad. So if it doesn't work for you, that's probably the reason. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to connect it or if you managed to figure out the situation for yourself. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.